Well, welcome to July, my birthday month. I believe God wants to awaken his people with a new mountaintop experience for our spiritual journey. He wants us to see opportunities within the mountaintop experiences, and there we could find recorded in the Bible and significant history mountain climbs. He wants us to desire a new mountaintop experience. Be like Caleb, claim your mountain. He wants us to proceed up the mountain. No more stopping and going. Continue the journey until you reach the top. He wants us to encounter. He wants to have an encounter with us in that mountaintop experience. And you know, Moses had several of those. And then he wants us to come down from that mountain experience to release what it is he has imparted to us. And we can release it by sharing, teaching, implementing, creating something new, establishing something new, and the like. But the key is to do it when he says to. I invite you to listen to this message or this prayer, which was recorded during Midnight Cry on July 2nd at 11:30 p.m. We do meet once a month, the first Friday of every month at 11:30 p.m. That's at Atlantic Standard Time. So click on the link below. Listen to the entire prayer. Start at 28 minutes if you're interested in hearing what the Lord has to say and how he wants to awaken us to a new mountaintop experience. God bless you and have a great July.